Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of discrete mathematics, I am discussing inverse function. Till the time I have discussed meaning of functions, domain and range in function, types of function, also composition of function. Here is the last topic of function, inverse function. As we know f colon a tends to b is a function, then inverse will be f inverse x, it will be inverse. So let f colon a tends to b is a 1 1 onto. I have told the definitions of 1 1 onto function. Then a function g colon b tends to a means it is opposite of function f. So it will be from b to a, which associates each element y belongs to b to a unique element x belongs to a, such that fx is equal to 1 is called the inverse of f, that is fx is equal to y or gy is equal to x. It is noted by f inverse. So we can say f inverse y is equal to f because fx is equal to y. So f inverse y is equal to x. Here is a example, fx is equal to 2x. Given it is given fx is equal to 2x, then we have to find f inverse x. So how will we solve this equation fx is equal to 2x? Let's see the method. Here is a method for solving fx is equal to 2x and to find f inverse x. So let fx is equal to y, so f inverse y is equal to x. It is equation 1. fx is equal to y, then f inverse y is equal to x in equation 1. Also we have put fx is equal to y, so the value of fx will also be equal to y. So 2x is equal to y. Also 2x is equal to y because fx is equal to y, fx is equal to 2x. So here 2x is equal to y, or we can say x is equal to y by 2. So we have found two equations. Equation 1 f inverse y is equal to x. Equation 2 x is equal to y by 2. Both are the values of x. Let put us equation 1 and 2 equal because both are equal to x. So from equation 1 and 2 f inverse y is equal to y. So this equation is in y variable, f inverse y is equal to y. Similarly f inverse x is equal to x upon y. So this is the method to find inverse. F inverse y is equal to y by 2. Similarly f inverse x we have to find is equal to x upon 2. So the answer of fx is equal to 2x. The inverse of this will be f inverse x is equal to x by 2. Same was here. fx is equal to 2x, answer is f inverse x is equal to x by 2, where x in fx belong to a and now x will be belonging to b. So it will be inverse, means ulta of x. Let's see other numerical example. Let f and g, here two functions are given. So here let f and g belong to R. f and g colon r tends to r. R stand for real number. Real means the numbers which are not imaginary. Imaginary number नहीं होना चाहिए. Under root -1 नहीं होना चाहिए. Be defined by r is the set of real numbers. Equations are given. fx is equal to x plus 2. gx is equal to 1 upon x square plus 1. So we have to compute f inverse gx. Let's see here. Composition is also given. As we have found f of fx, f of fx, f of gx, similarly g of fx, g of gx, as we have found in composition. Similarly we have to do composition with f inverse. So first of all we will find f inverse, then we will put the value of gx in place of x in f inverse x. So how will we find f inverse? First of all put fx is equal to y as we did in previous numerical. fx is equal to y, so f inverse y is equal to x. Similarly y is equal to x plus 2, so x is equal to y minus 2. So in form of y, f inverse y is equal to y minus 2. Similarly, f inverse x is equal to x minus 2. So we have computed f inverse x as we did in example 1. In previous example जैसे किया था सेम करना है आपको. So you will got f inverse x is equal to x minus 2. So put the value of function gx in place of x in f inverse. Then you will find f inverse gx. So answer will be f inverse gx is equal to gx minus 2. Put the value of gx in place of x, 1 upon x square plus 1 minus 2. So you can also solve by taking LCM or you can leave here. So this is the method of finding inverse, and with composition also. If composition is also given, then you just don't have to worry. Just find inverse in the way I have taught you. Then you can put the पीछे वाला फंक्शन आगे वाले फंक्शन में you can put easily. Here gx को f inverse में put करना था in place of x. Simple. So today I have discussed inverse function with numericals. It is very simple concept and important also. Just learn, practice it. Next I will discuss in other video. So functions are done today. In this unit, unit 4, functions and relations. 2 topics are given. Functions are done today. Relations are remaining. Relation I will discuss in other videos. Thank you for today. Thank you for listening.